Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiesha. So today I'm going to be doing a current favorites video. I'm going to be showing you guys like the stuff I've been loving for like the past 3 to 2 months. Like basically my go-to products and things. I guess I'll start out with hair products. I've been loving these products by Aunt Jackie. I don't know, I really love them, especially for my wash and goes. So I've been loving their Grapeseed Style and Shine Recipe Ice Curls Glossy Curling Jelly. This right here, this is just basically like a gel. Then I also been loving their Flaxseed Recipe Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel. This right here. And I use these products together along with their Quench Moisture Intense Leave-In Conditioner. For my wash and goes, like for the past 3 months, I've been using this leave-in, and then I'll go in with this gel first and then this, and it gives you like the perfect wash and go. It gives you like the perfect definition, but like the perfect your hair isn't so defined, but it has like a nice fluffy defined look to it, if that makes any sense. And I also been loving this Shine and Jam conditioning gel extra hold. This right here, I'm sure you guys saw this before on Instagram or on YouTube. A lot of people use this for when they braids or twists, and I've been using this when I do my passion twists. If you follow me on Instagram, you see I try passion twists like 2 or 3 times, and every time I do them, I use this, and I just love this stuff. The next product is like a face product, and this is the Badescu skincare, and it's their facial spray with aloe herbs and rosewater. This has been around for a long time. This right here, and there's many ways you can use this. People use it just as a refresher, or to set their makeup. I know some people use it as that, or to add hydration to their face throughout the day. But I use it basically as a toner. After I cleanse my face and my face dries, I just spray this on my face, probably about 6 sprays on my face, and then let that dry, and then I put on my moisturizer. So I use this as my toner. Okay, the next few products are body stuff that I've been loving. And I mentioned this in another favorites. This is Dr. Bronner's Pure Castor Soap, and this is the baby unscented one. This is just a natural soap you can use from basically your head to your toe. You could use it for cleaning purposes, laundry. There's so many ways you can use this soap. I use it for my body, my private area. Yeah, this. As you can see, I'm out, so I probably will be going to Target to pick up another bottle. Okay, speaking of vaginas and private parts, I've been using the Honey Pot Sensitive Foaming Wash. This is black owned, black woman owned, if you didn't know what the Honey Pot is. But yeah, I've been loving this. I just pump 3 to 4 pumps on my hand and just wash. This is another Honey Pot product, and this is their Herbal-Infused pads. These, like I said, this company is black woman owned. Yeah, I've been using these pads for about 3 months. Yeah, 3 months. This is my second time buying the regular kind, because she has an overnight one. I brought the overnight one time, but I prefer these ones. But yeah, if you haven't used the Honey Pot, there's a bunch of reviews on it, but I just love how it makes I don't know, it makes you feel fresh and like, I don't know, it makes you feel fresh. You have to wear these in order to know like what I mean. They give your vagina like a fresh like feeling, like, you know when you chew like minty, like spearmint gum, and it has that like that type of that type of make your mouth feel that type of way. This is what it makes your vagina feel that way, like that fresh feeling. And I just love these. I probably would never ever buy like regular pads ever again. This has no chlorine, like no fragrance, plant-based pads. It's good for you. Okay, the last product I'm gonna be talking about is this Red Fox Tube O Butter Cocoa Butter Moisturizing Cream. And this is my second time purchasing this. I only could find this at, where did I find this at? I don't know if it's called Gabe's I found this at. Yeah, I think I found this at Gabe's. That's like the only place I could find this at. I could never find it at like no Walmart or like TJ Maxx or nowhere. Always find it at Gabe's. But this is just like a grease body butter. It's like a grease consistency, but it works amazing when you get out the shower. You don't even really have to dry all the water off of you. Just put this on and it keeps you moisturized for like, it keeps you moisturized all throughout the day. So yeah, I really love this stuff, and it smells like cocoa butter if you're wondering. But yeah, this stuff is amazing, especially since it's getting colder out. So guys, that was everything that I've been loving for the past 2 to 3 months, like my current favorites. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at crazycoolkiasia. I will put it somewhere here. Oh, here. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.